So the first step to start a construction project nowadays is to do a design. The permitting process on most towns in Massachusetts changed, okay? They will not accept a permit application if it's just written by hand if you go to the building department. They want you to do the permit applications online. And to do the permit application online, they will require the design. Any job today that requires issuance of building permits, we will need to show them what we're going to do. And they will not, most of the times, accept just simple sketch drawings of a project unless you have a real design that shows where we're doing the work at your house. If it's an addition, if it's a new construction, no matter the size of the project, you will need to show the building department what you're doing. And they're not going to come here at the job site for you to explain to them what are you going to do. They need that on the plans, because that also becomes town record of the work. After it's performed, they will come in and make sure that it was done according to the design that we created. I know a lot of people want to avoid, sometimes they want to know the price first, how much it's going to cost. Well, we can always try to come up with a price or a ballpark figure with the information that we gather once we do either a phone meeting or an on-site meeting. But what people need to understand, and it's hard sometimes to get through people, is that they need to create some sort of design first before they start the work. So the construction company can, with the design, come up with the correct amount. For an example, I'm an experienced builder and I know by experience how much something is going to cost based on some information that I gather from you. But without the design, I cannot come up with the price. So the main reason why we need a design before we start the work, before we even give you an estimate for the work, is simple. We cannot give you a proper price unless we know the sizes, the heights, and everything, all the important information to create an estimate. It needs to be on paper, it needs to be on some sort of design. And the second reason is we will never be able to apply or get approved for any building permits unless we show them exactly what we're doing. And how do we do that professionally? We create a design. And that's why doing the design is the first step of doing any type of construction work that requires building permits. So if you want the job done right, starting with the design, contact us and we're able to help you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.